Hello virtuous people, welcome to Virtual Gist and Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's Skill Matters, what we have for you is how to make a homemade milkshake without ice cream. Just a simple recipe that a day-old baby can try. Are you surprised about that? No, you don't have to, because the milkshake you are seeing is as simple as avocado. It makes me crazy when some mothers will say they want to make a milkshake for the kids, but because they don't have ice cream at home, they will leave it until they go for shopping and get ice cream. Please, who told you that you cannot make a milkshake without ice cream? That is why we have come with the good news of making a milkshake without ice cream today. So if you want to know how we made it, please sit back and keep watching. To all my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. I don't think that without you I will be here. To all those who have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel with the notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Like, share, and always drop your comment. So without further ado, let's get into making the homemade milkshake without ice cream together. The recipes we have for the two different milkshake we want to show you is our banana. This is my mango. What will happen is that I want to introduce all the recipes for the two milkshake so that when we start you will know the one we are using for each other, okay? This is my blended groundnut. I blended it this way. You can use your groundnut paste, okay? I got in here my cinnamon powder. This is my almond milk. This is my brown sugar. You can use a confectioner sugar if you want. They all goes, okay? And lastly, this is our ice cube. Guys, this is my almond milk. I will add it first before adding the fruits. Why I want to add the almond milk before adding the fruit is that I don't want to see any particles of fruit after blending. After which I will add my groundnuts. After adding my groundnuts, I will add my banana. After which I will add some ice cube. Remember, there is no milkshake without ice cube because milkshake is more better when it is chilled. After the ice cube, I will add a little brown sugar, just a little. And after that I will cover it. Guys, remember that there is no particular way of adding your fruits, because at the end of the day you are going to blend them all. You will blend it until you get the right consistency needed. Guys, as the blending is going on, let's discuss some of the benefits of the fruits we are using. For banana have a huge source of vitamin C and B6. Banana gives you energy minus the fat and cholesterol. The potassium in banana is good for your heart and blood pressure, and banana can aid digestion. For groundnut is a natural manpower food. It helps fight depression and it helps promote fertility. For the almond milk is low in sugar, high in vitamin E, and a good source of calcium. As you can see, that the benefits of them all are too numerous and is a very good milkshake. So it is ready now. Now I add some ice cube to my cup and I remove my milkshake and turn it to my cup. Guys, can you see how smooth it is? Adding more ice cube to the milkshake will make it more chilled, and that is the sweetness of it all. You enjoy it when it is chilled. Try this recipe and you will see what I'm telling you. Now I will garnish it with some groundnuts. Wow, this is lovely. On this junction, our banana milkshake is ready. Let's go over to the next one. For the second milkshake, guys, this is my mango. I want to add it to my blender, and it's going to be the first thing I'm adding before any other thing. After which I will add my almond milk. Remember that you can add your almond milk before or after the fruit. After which I will add my cinnamon powder. If you have not tried mango milkshake with cinnamon, try it and you will see how it tastes. And I will add my sugar. after adding my sugar, I will cover it and start blending. Guys, as the blending is going on, let's look into some of the health benefits of mango to be sure of what we eat. Mango helps in fighting cancer, and also it helps in maintaining our cholesterol level. Mango helps in cleansing our skin, and also it helps in regulating diabetes. For a healthy eye, always lick mango, okay? For the cinnamon powder I added, cinnamon may cut the risk of heart disease. Cinnamon also lowers sugar levels, and it has a powerful anti-diabetic effect. Cinnamon is also loaded with antioxidants. Guys, with all these health benefits, you can agree with me that the milkshake we are doing is a good one. Now it is ready. As you can see, some ice cube in my cup. The next thing I want to do is to remove my mango milkshake and turn it to my cup. On this junction, the mango milkshake is ready. Our homemade milkshake without ice cream is ready. It is banana and mango milkshake. They are so healthy. You can take it as a breakfast or lunch as well. Try this recipe and always give us your feedback as usual. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you see today. Share the video to family and friends as well. This is all we have for you for today on Skill Matters. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.